Hey Inventor users, tired of repetitive drawing creation for assemblies, sub-assemblies, and its components? DesignX can automate the process, but what if you could add your own professional touch? In this video, we'll show you how to create custom drawing templates for DesignX's drawing automation feature. Save time and ensure consistency with your own pre-configured layouts. Remember, when modifying settings in DesignX, run Autodesk Inventor Professional as administrator. Step 1. Open Inventor and create a new drawing. Open Autodesk Inventor Professional and choose New to create a fresh drawing file. This will serve as the foundation for your custom template. Step 2. Design your template layout. Now, unleash your creativity. Utilize Inventor's drawing tools to design your desired layout. This includes adding a title block with your company information, standard notes sections for any recurring details, and any visual elements you want consistently displayed on your drawings. Step 3. Place dummy models. Consider including dummy models as placeholders for the actual components. Insert your Inventor model, whether it is a .ip or .im file, to represent where DesignX will populate the component views later. This helps visualize the final layout and spacing. Step 4. Define standard views. To further streamline automation, consider predefining standard views for DesignX to use. Define your views as top front ISO or site for consistent component representation across all generated drawings. Note that top and front view can provide dimensions during the drawing generation. You may also define the page size, orientation, and any predefined borders or margins for your drawings. This ensures a uniform look and feel for all generated drawings. Step 5. Create a sheet format. Creating a dedicated sheet format can enhance your template's efficiency. Navigate to your sheet format, right-click and select Create New Sheet Format. Give it a name and make sure you select Fit Views to Sheet. Press OK, and you will see your creation under the Sheet Format section. Step 6. Save your template. Once your layout is complete and customized, navigate to File Save As. Here's the key. Choose the Drawing Template, star.dwg, file format. Give your template a clear and recognizable name for easy identification later. Step 7. Integrate your template with DesignX. Now that your template is saved, let's put it to work. Open an assembly file and access the DesignX ribbon panel. Step 8. Configure DesignX settings. Under Settings, in the DesignX ribbon, locate the Multiple DWGs section. Click Browse and select your newly created custom template from the Inventor project workspace. Input your custom sheet format name below. This ensures consistent layout and format for automated drawings. Step 9. Generate automated drawings. Now that your settings are configured, head back to the DesignX ribbon and use the Dimension feature. Choose between multi-sheets or single sheet, depending on your needs. Step 10. Enjoy streamlined efficiency. With your custom template link, DesignX will automatically populate drawings for each component in your assembly, applying your predefined layout and saving you significant time. The generated drawings are also auto-scaled, depending on the size of the models. Feel free to further refine annotations, dimensions, or views within each individual drawing as needed. With custom drawing templates in DesignX, you can automate drawing generation with your own professional touch. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DesignX and Inventor tutorials.